Introducing the RC Lion Stainless Steel Link Rod Linkage, the perfect upgrade part for your axial SCX 10-290046 crawler car. Designed to fit the 313mm wheelbase 1/10th RC crawler axial SCX 10-2AX90046, these link rods are engineered to reduce the power of bumps to tires, thereby extending the life of the shock absorber and achieving strong suspension. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel material, these linkages are wear-resistant and offer a long service life, ensuring durability and reliability even under tough conditions. By effectively improving the performance of your car, these link rods help achieve stable and flexible driving, enhancing your overall crawling experience. Specifications: Fit for 313mm wheelbase 1/10 RC crawler axial SCX 10-2AX90046. Link material, stainless steel. Rod end material, plastic. Upgrade your crawler car today with the RC Lion Stainless Steel Link Rod Linkage and experience enhanced performance and durability on the trails.